Hi, Jeff here from Comprehensive Driving Tuition. Today I'm going to talk about another sequence which is called Mirror Signal Manoeuvre. You may well have heard of this. If you haven't, it's one of the tried and tested sequences that they've been using in driving ever since the driving test began. Okay, back in 1935, I think, somewhere around then. Okay, so it's kind of a mirror signal manoeuvre. It's kind of like a look before you leap, think before you act, all that sort of stuff. Common sense, basically, at the end of the day. But it's surprising how many people do it the wrong way around and do signal then mirror, or do manoeuvre then signal then mirror, and then all that stuff. But it's basically mirror signal manoeuvre. Okay, now if you've watched the other video about prepare, observe and go, that's a sequence that we use every time we're stationary and we want to move off. Whereas mirror signal manoeuvre is basically used when you're on the move. Okay, so if you're driving down a road and you see a problem, you should check your mirror, decide if you need to put a signal on, and then deal with the problem, whatever it is. Okay, say for a simple situation, you're coming up to a T-junction and you're going to turn left, then you would check your mirror, signal left, and then go up to the end of the road, see if it's safe, and do your manoeuvre out into the next road. So that's a simple situation. You might be coming down the road and you come across a bus and you think, oh, I might have to overtake this bus. So you check your mirror, you decide if you're going to overtake, have a little look around, and if you are, you signal, overtake the bus and back in again. Now, it's not necessary to signal every time you overtake a bus or a cyclist or another car, but we can talk about that more in later lessons. Okay, but that's the sequence, and you use that sequence all the time that you're driving along and you're out on the move. Okay, and you have to do any manoeuvre of any sort, and that manoeuvre could be moving out, moving in, speeding up, slowing down, anything like that. That's when we need to use that sequence. So remember that sequence, repeat it to yourself, say it out loud, however you want to learn it, but the sequence is mirror signal manoeuvre, and they will be testing you on that to see if you can do it on your driving test. Okay, hope that's helped, and I'll see you on the next lesson.